Chromosomal disorder. The chromosomal disorder is caused due to absence or excess of abnormal arrangement of a chromosome. The failure of segregation of chromatid during the cell division results in gain or loss of chromosomes called aneuploidy. Down syndrome results in gain of extra copy of chromosome 21. Similarly, Turner syndrome results in the loss of an X chromosome in human females. Now, what is polyploidy? It is the failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in an increase in a whole set of chromosomes in an organism. This is known as polyploidy. This condition is often seen in plants. The total number of chromosomes in normal human is 46. And 22 pair are autosome and 1 pair are chromosome. 1 pair are sex chromosome. So in every pair there are two chromosomes. So if the number of chromosomes in every pair increases or decreases, if it increases it becomes 3 in one pair, then it is known as trisomy, and if it reduces, it is known as monosomy. So the syndromes are of three types: Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome. We'll see them in detail now. The Down syndrome is caused due to genetic disorder in the presence of an additional copy of chromosome number 21, trisomy of 21. There are 3 chromosomes in 21 pair in this syndrome. This was discovered first by Landon Down in 1866. The affected individual has small round head, short in height, furrowed tongue, and partially open mouth. The palm is broad with characteristic crease. Physical psychometer and mental development is retarded. Second is Klinefelter syndrome. The genetic disorder is also caused due to presence of an additional copy of X chromosome, resulting into karyotype of 47 XXY. Such individuals have overall masculine development. However, the feminine development is also there, like breast, that is gynecomastia, which is also expressed in these individuals, and they are sterile. Next is Turner syndrome. This is caused due to absence of X chromosome, that is 45 chromosomes are present and it is XO. Such females are sterile as their ovaries are rudimentary, including lack of their secondary sexual characters.